Here we have a glowing example of a Sea Ray 1994 330 EC Express Cruiser. Take note, not a Sundancer. Extended platform has been added. Nice feature. This is straight inboards, not V-drives. Gives you the much better ride from having engines forward. Better center of gravity. Nice big open single level cockpit. All the vinyl's in great shape. Canvas is like new. It's a year or two old. Eyes and glasses all in great shape. Dual controls. 1,166 hours on the hour meter. Radar. Newer Lowrance GPS. The salon has been redone 5 years ago. New carpet, new vinyl, new countertops. Makes it look like a more modern boat. Very nice condition. Dinette converts into a sleeping area. Big berth forward. Vacuum flush head has been replaced. It's only a year or two old. This is one exceptional find. Once again, 1994 Sea Ray 330 EC.